Angkatan bersenjata Rusia merilis informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina Minggu tanggal 1 Mei. Juru bicara militer Rusia Majen Igor Konasenkov mengatakan pasukan rudal dan artileri mencapai 786 area konsentrasi tenaga kerja dan peralatan militer Ukraina, 24 pos komando dan 3 gudang senjata dan amunisi artileri misil di dekat Grusevaha pada siang hari. Serangan tersebut mengakibatkan eliminasi lebih dari 200 personel militer Ukraina dan hingga 20 unit peralatan militer. Pertahanan udara Rusia menembak jatuh 2 pesawat pengebom Su-24M Angkatan Udara Ukraina di dekat Petrovsko, wilayah Kharkov. Juga pada malam hari, 12 kendaraan udara tak berawak Ukraina telah ditembak jatuh di dekat Mezevaya, Novobogdanovka, Mirograd, Sirokaya Balka, Priutnoe, Torsko, Staromihailovskaya, Balakleya dan Kharkiv. 2 rudal balistik Tokau Ukraina telah ditembak jatuh di atas Tokmak, wilayah Zaporozhye. 2 roket Smerk Ukraina juga telah ditembak jatuh di atas Semenovka, wilayah Kharkov. Secara total, 145 pesawat dan 112 helikopter, 672 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 281 sistem rudal anti-pesawat, 2.703 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya dihancurkan. Juga 312 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 1.203 artileri dan mortir lapangan, serta 2.514 unit militer khusus kendaraan angkatan bersenjata Ukraina dihancurkan selama operasi, kata Majen Igor dikutip Tribun Timur.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision Onyx missiles near Odessa have destroyed a hangar at a military airfield with arms and ammunition from the United States and European countries, as well as the runway. High-precision air-based missiles of the Russian aerospace forces have hit 7 Ukrainian military assets. Among them, 4 areas of manpower and military equipment concentration, as well as 3 missile artillery weapons and ammunition depots near Berezova in the Donetsk People's Republic, Slatino and Barvenkovo, Kharkov region. Operational tactical and army aviation of the Russian aerospace forces have destroyed 2 Ukrainian S-300 anti-aircraft missile systems near Zaporozhye and Artyomovsk. 2 ammunition and fuel depots near Privolnaya and Shevchenko in Zaporozhye region have been hit, as well as 15 strong points and areas of manpower and equipment concentration. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of more than 140 nationalists and up to 19 Ukrainian armored vehicles. Missile troops and artillery have hit 786 areas of concentration of the Ukrainian manpower and military equipment, 24 command posts and 3 missile artillery weapons and ammunition depots near Grusevaha during the day. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of more than 200 Ukrainian military personnel and up to 20 units of military equipment. Russian air defense means have shot down 2 Su-24M bombers of the Ukrainian Air Force near Petrovskaya, Kharkov region. Also, during the night, 12 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been shot down near Mezhevaya, Novobogdanovka, Mirograd, Shirokaya Balka, Priutnaya, Torskaya, Staromikailovskaya, Balakleya and Kharkiv. 2 Ukrainian .U ballistic missiles have been shot down over Tokmak, Zaporozhye region. 2 Ukrainian Smerch rockets have been also shot down over Semenovka, Kharkov region. In total, 145 aircraft and 112 helicopters, 672 unmanned aerial vehicles, 281 anti-aircraft missile systems, 2,703 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 312 multiple launch rocket systems, 1,203 field artillery and motors, as well as 2,514 units of special military vehicles of the armed forces of Ukraine were destroyed during the operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.